Hi, I'm Brandon with Arizona Appliance and Home, here to talk about Miele dishwashers, specifically the panel-ready dishwasher. It gives a more contemporary feel to the kitchen. It is fully integrated into the cabinets, hides the dishwasher completely. This one is a very cool knock to open one with lights on the inside and all the bells and whistle. Probably the best selling dishwasher that Miele makes. The second dishwasher that we wanted to show you is the monogram, designed to disappear into the kitchen. This is actually the dishwasher. Monograms, third rack dishwasher. But as you can see, you can't even tell it's there. Thanks for watching. Please come and visit us at any one of our locations in Scottsdale, Tucson, or Phoenix.